Having trouble downloading updates on your Tesla Model 3? This video will guide you through the most common causes and how to fix them. We'll cover issues related to Wi-Fi connectivity, storage space, and potential software errors that might be preventing your car from updating to the latest version. First, ensure your car is parked in a location with good Wi-Fi coverage. Most update problems stem from connectivity issues. Tesla Model 3s require a stable Wi-Fi connection to download updates. A weak signal is a primary culprit for failed downloads. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength within the car's settings by navigating to Controls, then Software, then Wi-Fi settings. A signal strength below -70 dBm can cause interruptions. Signal strength is measured in dBm. Here's a reference for what different levels mean. Try moving your car closer to the router to improve signal strength. Use a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal throughout your home or garage. Connect to a mobile hotspot with at least 10 Mbps download speed. Prioritize a 5 GHz connection if available, as it offers faster speeds for downloads. These steps should help resolve Wi-Fi-related update download issues for your Tesla Model 3. Insufficient storage space can also prevent updates from downloading. Model 3s have internal storage, and updates typically require 1 to 5 GB of free space. To clear space, navigate to Controls, then Software, and select Delete Personal Data to clear cached files. Additionally, remove any unnecessary media files from your USB drive or internal storage. Tesla recommends maintaining at least 10 GB of free space for smooth updates. If basic solutions like checking Wi-Fi or freeing storage haven't resolved your Tesla Model 3 update issues, it's time to try advanced troubleshooting options. Start by accessing remote diagnostics through the Tesla mobile app. This feature lets Tesla technicians remotely examine your vehicle's software and hardware to pinpoint the exact cause of update failures. If remote diagnostics don't identify and fix the problem, reach out to Tesla support through the app or their website. Support representatives can sometimes initiate a forced update push directly to your vehicle, bypassing local issues. In cases where remote solutions aren't sufficient, Tesla support can arrange for a service center visit to perform hands-on diagnostics and repairs. This comprehensive approach ensures your Model 3 gets back to reliable update functionality. Many Tesla Model 3 owners have successfully resolved update download issues by combining Wi-Fi improvements with storage management. For example, a driver in a rural Montana area with unreliable Wi-Fi connections used a Wi-Fi booster to strengthen the signal and cleared 15 GB of storage space from their vehicle. This combination allowed them to download and install a 3 GB software update in under an hour, transforming what had been a frustrating process into a quick success. Another notable case occurred in 2024 when Tesla encountered a widespread software glitch that stalled updates for many Model 3 vehicles globally. The company quickly released a patch through the mobile app, allowing users to bypass the vehicle interface issues. By restarting both their home router and the vehicle, then applying the patch via the app, numerous owners resolved the problem without needing to visit a service center. These real-world examples demonstrate how combining multiple troubleshooting approaches can effectively resolve Tesla Model 3 update challenges, whether dealing with connectivity limitations or software inconsistencies. Tesla is constantly working on improving the update process. Expect to see more seamless background downloads with AI-optimized scheduling in the future. Tesla plans to integrate satellite connectivity, Starlink, for update delivery in low-signal areas. Future software deployments aim for smaller, modular updates to reduce data usage and storage needs. Also expect built-in diagnostic tools in future models to cut troubleshooting time.